Magic 89.9.
Yay, let's give it up for Clubs. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Hello. Hello po, kamusta?
Wow, sorry. Hindi, pangarap ko po kasi matagal na mag-magic. So, ngayon lang ako nabigyan ng
talaga
opportunity.
ba?
Yes po. Yes
Really?
po. OMG. You don't have any idea kung gaano ako kasaya.
Really?
Yes.
No, honestly,
Yes.
walang biro,
Hindi
walang
po,
buyo.
no biro.
Kasi yung yung EP tungkol sa panloloko eh.
Ay, hindi po,
Kinakabahan
hindi
na ako
po.
eh. Oo, no? And, okay, so, congratulations! Nakarating ka na ang big winner ng... Okay, well, thank you so much for coming. Of course, we enjoy having you here also, all the way from Cagayan, yes, wherever you guys are. And I love your shades, right?
Thank you.
Okay, so kamusta? How was it performing on Nightlife? Kasi it's a little bit of a different setup, right? Parang iba siya eh, camera lang kaharap mo, it's not really a big audience. So how is it for you?
Well, actually, ang weird kasi kinakabahan talaga ako. Ba't gano'n? Sobra yung kaba ko. Kasi nung last week, nasa GMA playlist din po kami. Okay lang ba
Yeah.
Tapos nag-wish bus din po kami. Tapos iba yung kaba dito.
Kung kailan walang tao,
Opo.
doon ka kinabahan?
Ewan ko po kung bakit. Pero iba. Kasi baka dahil pinapakinggan ko na yung Magic nung college pa lang ako. So sobrang... I cannot believe it na tumutugtog ako dito. So malaking bagay. Kahit mali-mali, okay na yun.
Wow, Sarjot. Oh, enjoy na enjoy siya dito.
Yes. Sana may next time.
Oo naman, yes. Balik-balik lang. And, okay, so let's talk about your music, right? Let's talk about clubs first. Kasi balita ko kailangan kong tanungin, bakit clubs ang tawag sa inyo? Sugalero ba kayo? Kasi cards, di ba?
Well, pwede din. Pero pagsusugal sa pag-ibig. Hindi tayo nagpa-promote ng ano.
Tama.
Wag yun. Pero yung sa pag-ibig, all in tayo kapag tingin natin para sa atin siya. Diba? Sugal tayo. Okay lang masaktan kasi nagmahal ka naman ng totoo, di ba?
So yun talaga yung dahilan kung bakit clubs yung pangalan. Sabi sa inyo, nanloloko talaga yung mga tao rito.
Hindi po ako manloloko. Pero kung tinatanong niyo po about sa cards or pagsusugal, yun po talaga yung concept nung namin, mga songs namin. So, bakit siya clubs? Well, funny story po kasi yung namin, si Carlo, tsaka nung time na nire-record yung Sinta, sa Cebu po ito eh. Nag-brown out po kasi habang nagre-record. So, pumunta sila doon sa lola ni Carlo. Tapos, nagluto daw yung lola ni Carlo ng tinolang manok.
Okay.
Tapos yung tinolang manok, hindi na ako-connect. Tinolang manok, merong malunggay.
Okay.
Tapos yung basis, sabi niya, alam mo, itong malunggay parang clubs. So yung,
Itong malunggay, parang
clubs. Sabi niya, so clubs na lang nga. Sakto, fan sila ng Four of Spades. So sabi niya, since Four of Spades yun, kami naman yung clubs. So, kasi yun talaga yung namin eh. Sorry, ang funny. Seryoso, ang funny talaga ng story. Pero yun talaga yun. Di ako gagawa-gawa ng kwento. Yun talaga yun. Parang kumakain ng tinola, nakita parang tong
malunggay.
clubs. Tapos fan tayo ng Four of Spades. Okay, clubs. Yun.
Clubs tayo. O, tama.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
That's the history of clubs. And yung regarding sa pagsusugal, well, doon po umiikot yung mga songs namin. Nagsusugal sa pag-ibig, tapos natalo ka, dinaya ka, pero nagmahal ka eh. That's it. So yeah.
So it all connects in the end naman, diba? And again, you're releasing EPs and probably an album very, very soon na in the theme also of the different suits in cards,
Yes.
right? So, clubs, dahil sa malunggay, okay, tatanggapin ko na. Feeling ko, it's too silly to be made up at this point, right? Pero paano kayo nagkakilala? Paano siya nagsimula?
Okay, nag-start po siya nung pandemic. During pandemic po kasi, nag-close lahat eh.
Yeah.
And also, meron din po kasi akong music center business noon. I have to close that down. Pero before pa, noon, nagpa-produce na ako ng songs. Pero tinalikuran ko na yung pagpa-produce ng songs. Kasi sabi ko, it takes a lot of time, pero I have to, maintain the studio and all that. Parang ang hirap, alam mo yun, i-maintain yung pagpa-produce. Daming time, daming sacrifice for you to, Pero nung pandemic, syempre marami akong time, di ba?
Yeah. Totoo. Lahat tayo, daming time ng pandemic.
So yun yung parang sabi ko, bakit di ako bumalik sa music?
Okay.
So nag-try po ako mag-produce, mag-write ulit ng songs. Tapos nakilala ko si Carlo sa isang music production group. Kasi I'm scouting for artists na to work with. So si Carlo, he's from Cebu, very young, very talented guy. Ang ganda ng songwriting niya. Tapos sabi ko, bro, ang ganda ng songs mo kaso yung listeners mo less than 10. Sa Spotify, sabi ko, you deserve
More.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Sabi ko, bakit hindi mo i-try na alam mo yun? Let's collaborate together. Let's do something
Carlo,
together.
open-minded ka ba?
Yeah. Alam mo, ang funny lang kasi sa akala niya nung una, scammer ako. Scammer
Oo. Kung galing ka nga naman dun, di ba? Biglang may lalapit sa'yo,
Oo,
sabihin na
awkward.
you're the chosen one. Nakakatakot.
Weird. Yeah, pero parang nag-search naman siya. Tinignan naman niya. And yun nga, nag-decide siya na, sige, I'll try.
Right.
And then, dapat solo artist lang siya during that time. Kasi rapper kasi tong si Carlo eh. Rapper, R&B, yun yung talagang genre niya. So, ewan ko ba bakit yun?
Ba't
Decide
tayo
siya.
naging indie
Nag-decide
rock
po siya, sabi
band?
niya sa akin, I wanted to try something new.
Oo.
I wanted to have my friends join me dito.
Right.
Pero sabi ko, Carlo, you know what? Ako, galing na ako dun eh. Parang alam naman natin ang hirap parang i-manage yung oras ng isa't isa, the
Yeah.
commitment, the dedication, iba-iba tayo ng priorities.
Yeah.
Kapag sa band, kailangan mo talaga ng maghanap ng like-minded people. Na
And not
same,
necessarily your friends.
yeah, dapat same kayo ng vision, same
Oo.
kayo ng goals. Kasi ang hirap talaga ayusin yung schedule. So, sabi ko sa kanya, sige dahil naniniwala ka dyan sa gagawin mo, okay, so ako, bilang someone na alam kong ako yung
Alam mo, parehas kayo ng gusto sa buhay.
yeah, supportive lang ako kahit alam kong, alam mo yun, magkakaroon ng problem in the long run.
Oo.
I know that he's talented and
Yeah.
I believe in his talent. I believe in his vision. Okay,
Right.
I'll support you. So, hindi naman ako nagkamali.
Tama, yeah.
So, nag-viral yung Sinta. So, parang natuwa ako kasi, uy, may papuntahan pala tong song na to.
Buti na lang. Tama
Buti
yung
na lang.
sugal ko. Kundi, babalik tayo ng Cebu ba? Oh.
Uy!
Malunggay ulit ni Lola ka.
Huwag naman, uy.
Okay, so that's very interesting because you said Carlo is a rapper, R&B
Yeah.
type music. Paano kayo napadpad into this genre of music?
Well, ewan ko na sabi ko kanina, parang hindi, no? Parang gusto niya lang mag-explore. Kasi
Yeah.
sabi niya, hindi pa daw niya alam kung saan siya.
He could have explored, I don't know, probably some other type of music. Was this really the one that fit best with everybody else's
Actually,
vision?
no po. Parang gusto niya lang mag-step out sa comfort zone niya. Kasi
yeah.
parang never pa daw niya natatry na mag-band. Parang laging solo siya. Yun, so.
Ah, okay. So gusto lang talaga na to widen horizons.
Yes po.
Siguro. Right? So you have a new EP coming out, Diamonds. So some of the songs on the EP are already released on Spotify
Yes po.
and digital streaming platforms that everybody can listen to. I want to know what went into choosing the songs for the EP. Because it's a big step din for a band to create an EP. And parang the theme of the EP is yung gusto kong sabihin naglolokohan lang tayo. Pero the title is
Grabe.
nothing compared to the lyrics. Parang yung
yeah.
Bahaghari, it's such a light and bright title. Pero the lyrics is something else. It's a little bit more deeper. So what went into that?
Katulad niya yung sabi niyo, parang lokohan lang eh. Di ba? It's a complete opposite. Yun yung gusto naming...
Ayun, opposite. Thank you for the word.
Yeah. Yun yung gusto naming i-establish dito sa EP. It's not it.
It's not giving.
It's not giving. So, Diamond, parang nag-isip lang kami eh. Ano bang something na wordplay na pag Diamond, parang alam mo yun, you cheated, you're not part of the cut. You're not a diamond. Kasi nagloko ka. So, yung trust kasi, binrake mo. So, kung tinatanong nyo saan nanggagaling yung hugot, well,
Does this come from personal experience?
lahat naman tayo pinagdaanan nito, di ba? Lahat naman. Pero,
Sana hindi lahat. Diba? So mga
Huy.
hindi pa napagdaanan to, sana wag.
ulam reveal, tinolang manok.
Okay, yeah. So it comes from personal experience. That's why the lyrics are very heartfelt also. Kasi
Yes.
it's something na you can only write about in this way if you've experienced it din eh. Diba? And also the theme of opposites in the lyrics as well as in the title. Is this something that you guys will be bringing moving forward to new music? Is this something that, do you think this is the sound na of clubs going forward for more music in the future?
Well, ito kasi nagkataon lang eh. Dahil because of yung napagdaanan talaga namin. Paano ko sasabihin? Nag-hiatus kasi kami. Like, 2 years.
Yeah.
During this time, sige, I'll share to you. Nung sinusulat namin tong Diamond EP, umiiyak pa kami. Kasi yung feelings namin,
Fresh pa.
real talaga, real.
Yeah.
Hindi naman siya relationship, pero alam mo yung,
Parang
it's more of
dinaya ka
friendship eh. More on friendship,
Well, that
relationship.
hurts more sometimes,
Yes.
right? Yeah, totoo. Pagka dinaya ka ng kaibigan mo, iba yung pain.
Oh. Lalo na kung best friend mo. Oh.
Kung sino man po sila, shout
Hindi.
out guys.
General to Siyempre, lahat. Uy, grabe kayo.
Oh, okay, yes, sige, go. Continue.
So, yung sound namin kasi, parang, ang ginagawa na lang namin ngayon kung sino yung available, kung ano yung doable. Kasi before, nahirapan talaga kami as a band. Kasi bit-bit ko silang lahat. Alam mo yun? Parang ang hirap talaga mag-manage ng band. Pero hoping ako. Kasi feeling ko, medyo, alam mo, yung time nagmamature naman tayo. Di ba? So, I think, siguro in the future,
Right.
full band kami. Pero ito kasi yung doable sa amin, acoustic. And, yeah, sa susunod ng mga songs namin, hindi na siya broken-hearted. Nag-start lang kami sa broken-hearted kasi parang gusto lang namin i-establish
Right.
yung Diamond tapos papunta sa Hearts, tapos papunta sa Spades, yeah.
Right, and I'm sure if that is the theme that you want to go to, each suit brings a certain emotion with it,
Yes.
diba? So if Hearts yung susunod, it's a loving album. Pero dito tayo sa Diamonds, na opposites, wordplay, and it works all in all also. And it's also a talent to be able to make songs na okay tunog sa banda, okay rin tunog acoustic. And you're all very excited for the music that you're gonna have to put out in the future. Excited also for the full band experience. And we loved having you guys here. And is there anything that you guys want to promote, plug, social media, upcoming gigs in the future probably as well?
Oh, yeah. So, guys, please check out our Spotify. That's Clubs, CLUBS. Our TikTok, Apple Music, YouTube Music. Guys, please check out our songs there. And Facebook, that's We Are Clubs. And ano pa na-miss ko? IG, X, and yeah. For our new music, actually, tinugtog, na-excite ako. Yung tinugtog namin kanina, hindi pa siya released.
Right, yeah. It's for November
Yes.
pa,
Oh,
diba?
yeah, for
And everybody got a sneak peek as to yung laman ng EP natin. Right. But you also have a new song. The newest single na you have is Nalulunod.
Nalulunod, yes.
Right? Out now on all digital streaming platforms. And right after this, you can hear it as well. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming. Do you want to shout out anybody before I leave you guys?
Yeah, shout out to Litham sa pag-set up ng guitar ko. Thank you so much, bro. Sa Northern Root Records family, guys, thank you so much for your support. Clubbies, we're not going to be here and enjoy this moment without you guys. So please keep supporting. Without you, wala kami. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Clubs, once again for coming on to the show. Nalulunod, their newest single is up next. You're listening to Night Live, today's best music, your Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.